Alright guys, we're sitting out here in the car because we're going to take a look at this car charger for the Mavic Pro, and we're going to see if it works. Now this is something that I would call more like an SOS device. You know, I have 2 batteries now for my Mavic, so I most likely won't ever use that this much. And of course you have to have the car running for it to charge, because it has low voltage protection, so it's going to shut down if your car doesn't put out enough amperage when the key's out. So most likely you're going to have the car running when it's working. But if you're out somewhere far away from the house and you know you need to shoot a video and you use up your battery, you can always go drive around for a half an hour and get a little bit more juice in the battery. Plus it has an optional USB port on it too, so you could charge the controller also with that. But we'll see. Let's fire it up and see if it works. I'll put a link down there for it. Comes with the manual, and it tells you about the voltage protections and stuff that it has. It tells you the output, the charging time. If you were just going to go out and drive around, it'd be 50 minutes to charge the battery. Not too complicated. And you just plug it on into the cigarette lighter, like so. The red light will come on there. And you just plug it into the Mavic battery like this. And there it goes, charging away. Now there's a little fan built into it too. That was in the side there. If you don't can see it, right there. Of course, I'm not going to sit here for 50 minutes, but it does work. I mean, it's charging it. Like I said, this would be an emergency type situation where you were out in the woods or somewhere and you didn't have any other option. This would be a good option if you really needed to get some shot or some video and didn't want to drive all the way back home. You could just drive around, go get something to eat or whatever, charge it up. I wouldn't use this on a regular basis though, you know what I mean? So, but it actually does work, and you do get the optional USB port there, so you know that's not a bad deal. Alright guys, there it goes. It's working. I'll put a link down in there if you're interested in checking into it and picking one up. I don't remember how much it was off the top of my head. $14 or something around them lines. So there it goes. Alright guys, have a nice day.